Ladies and gentlemen, great day today. We have in front of us the Axwell minimalistic wallets. I have 3 different colors in front of me, not to mention their coin tray as well. This has been a highly sought after feature in minimalistic wallets, especially because not only can you put quarters, pennies, and a nickel over here, but I have a house key as well if you do not have a digital deadbolt keypad. That means when you go out for surfing in the morning, when you're ripping around your one wheel, going out to coffee, you guys get the idea. You don't have to take your entire set with you, especially if you have a smart key card. You also can jam your Tesla key card in here. So very cool. Well, first and foremost, I want to show you this. This is their copper color. With that said, like all my videos, in the description box right below the video is going to be the top link where you guys can read more about the Axwell wallets and pick them up yourself. And that link below will actually get you 10% off your Axwell wallets or whatever you do purchase and free expedited shipping. Take a look at that link when the video is done and get your discount in your Axwell wallet. This copper color right here is going to be a shinier copper, like a brand new penny. Here's a clean penny in regards to the different color right there, and you're just seeing the reflection of the camera in the copper there, as you can see. But that is going to be your copper color. Here is the look of a dirty penny right here compared to that. And what's nice is that this is going to blend in just beautifully. This is a darker copper, but that's going to blend in really nicely with your Yeti. I use my Yeti every day. I take it to church. You guys get the idea. Now the Axwell wallets have built-in RFID blocking technology, and each one does come with a cash strap already installed. And it actually has these little kind of traction little knobs to them here to keep your cash in place. And then all you do is you just fold your cash in quarters and then just slip it in right there. That is actually only 2 bills. That's a $20 bill and a $5 bill, but of course you can have more if you want, and tucks under, especially when it's in fourths right here like that. Now they do give you a cash clip as well if you rather use that, just like a regular money clip there. They also give you instructions and an Axwell sticker. The coin tray is separate, and this can hold 1 to 12 cards, which is great, especially if you want to hold your gift cards, Costco card, etc. And then what I would do right here in front of me, I have 7 cards, and I'm just going to show you here. So that's how you slip it in, just like that. And it does have an elastic band already installed on it right here. You got your cash on the back. I got my really large crypto.com card, which is a metal steel card. And then there's a couple different ways you can fan out the cards. You can use your thumb if you want to, like that. Grab your Lowe's gift card right off the top. Place that back in. Or what I would do also is use your most used card in the front or in the back here. I won't fan that one out because that is an actual card. Don't want that information out on the internet, but you guys get the idea. Driver's license right on the top, or the back one. The reason why is the way they are lined up, you can grab it a little bit easier. Now, if you do need to get to a card in the middle, let's go ahead and just show you here. Fan it out, grab it all out, and then you can fan through it. Grocery store rewards card, you guys get the idea there. Upon receiving your wallet, the elastic band will give a little bit more stretch over the first week. It'll be a little tight the first week or so, but that will expand on you, so it's just going to be easier to put your cards in, which is nice, but I don't find it too hard of an effort. Or what you could do is just grab it like this, fan it out. So I'm pushing up with this finger, and then go ahead and grab your card right there. Pushes right back into place. So thumb, I almost find my thumb a little bit easier than having to come all the way back over here. So I'll fan it out, and then I'll bring it out a little bit more and grab that Lowe's card and bring that out just like that, as you can see there. But a really cool copper color. You got your cash on the back, your cash strap. Let's show you the coin tray. So the coin tray, I have them all single. You could double them up if you really want to, but you kind of get more of a jingle jingle. Now you're still going to get a jingle jingle, obviously, because there are coins that are loose in there. But as you can see here, now I got my coin tray here in the back. I got my cards, but not all 7. I took some out, but of course you can expand that if you really want to. And that pulls out, and then you got your coin tray. Now that it does fan out, but you do need to be a little careful. So what I would do in that circumstance is I would just pull it out completely and bring out your coins, your key, etc. And it is felt down there at the bottom if you are wondering. And then I would have that in the back. I mean, you can have it in the middle if you really want to, but cards on the top will prevent that As you can hear, the coins are jingling around a little bit in there, but that is a cool feature to be able to have a coin tray as well. Now to one of the coolest features of the Axwell wallets. But before I do show you that, this is aerospace grade aluminum shell, which is really cool. The finger cutout is oversized. They've improved upon their competitor in regards to that to be able to slide it up easily. There is a lifetime warranty on these wallets, which is awesome. And another really cool thing the company does do is every time you make a purchase, they will make a donation to homeless veterans, which is really awesome. Okay, now one of the coolest features of the Axwell wallets is flipping faceplates. So you can buy cheaper faceplates only, so you don't have to buy a whole nother wallet. And take a look at this. So it flips right up, and there you go right there. There's your faceplate with your magnetic, clips right back into place. And same thing for the back side, pulls right up with your magnets right there, latches down. So in regards to that, here in front of me is the blue and their sweet color orange. They have many different colors. So once again, look at that link in the description box below. I'm gonna quickly show you these colors. Oh man, that blue is really cool. So once you take the lid off, let me show you what it looks like here. So you got your instruction cards here, you got your Axwell sticker there, and you have your money clip down below right there. So that's how each package comes. We'll just put that back in. Goodness gracious, that is a good looking matte blue, just beautiful. Same thing applies. Look at the cash strap on the back. You got blue, kind of dark in there, but the blue goes all the way down in the bottom. So it's just a black elastic strap, but the blue is on the interior portion on both sides as well. Not to mention flipping open this right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and exchange. Ooh, very cool. Blue on copper instead of black on copper, blue on copper. That looks really good. And you can just keep it like this. So you got copper face here. You got blue on the back side. That is pretty sick in my opinion. All right, let's show you this color. This color is sweet. Burnt orange. I don't know if that's the actual name of it, but it's a really cool boy. Oh boy, that is super clean. Goodness gracious. Same thing, you guys get the idea there. Orange, both sides. Wow, bottom, top. That is a beautiful color. Okay, switching it up. Actually, let's go copper. And the copper, if you are wondering, the copper is heavier than this color here. I almost want to say at least double the weight for the copper. So do keep that in mind as well. But it is a solid look to it here. Wow. Okay, so now we got orange on copper. That might be my go-to. That might be my go-to right there. I think the blue and copper is pretty sick. But again, what's nice is they have improved upon their competitor with the flip out lids. Okay, this is gonna be really cool. So let's go orange on blue. Ooh, yeah. I know I'm Googling Gaga over that, but that is pretty. That's a really cool feature of replaceable ones like that. So again, if you don't want to buy a whole nother one, you can mix and match and do whatever you want to do. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, holiday season's coming up. This would be a great gift idea for your siblings, for dad. They're really well made. Again, if you want to get 10% off whatever you order in the description box right below the video, click on show more. Description box will drop down. Top link will be Axwell's link. Get your 10% off and free expedited shipping on whatever you do order. I'm impressed. Thumbs up in my book. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like tech review videos like this, van life builds, etc. Once again, your links are right below. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.
Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.